Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva Brand Kit step by step. So if you want consistent colors, fonts, logos, and branding across all your designs, yeah, Canva Brand Kit makes the whole process much faster and more professional. First, open Canva in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the brand section on the left side. Now click on Brand Kit or Brand Hub depending on your Canva version. So this is where you manage your logos, colors, fonts, and brand assets. Next, upload your business logo or personal brand logo into the Brand Kit. This makes it much easier to reuse logos in future designs. Now add your brand colors by entering color codes or selecting colors manually. Using consistent colors helps your designs look cleaner and more recognizable. One quick tip, try using the same visual style across all your designs. So, consistent branding helps businesses and creators look more professional online. And that's basically how to use Canva Brand Kit from start to finish. After setting everything up properly, creating branded content becomes much faster and easier.